Yeah, guys, good morning. Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible. Yeah. Good morning.
Okay, now, guys, I'm starting up the brick session. So let's just, as soon as we come here, let's immediately create it because this will take some time now. So rather than wasting our time, I'll just start up here. Okay. So let us create it here. The group, I'm just creating it. Click Spark SQL RG is the no, name of the group. I'm just creating it. And the name of the workspaces. I'm using Durga Soft Workspace as it is. And click on the create.
So this has to be shared.
Okay, so now once it is the validation is passed, click on the create. That's it. Okay, the screen, everyone is able to see the screen now.
Sir.
Okay, so this will take some time, I think. Okay, guys, so it is deployed, the workspace. Everyone is able to hear me? Now, guys, launch the workspace. Yeah, I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm, I've just launched the workspace. So let us see here. Now, guys, just click on the cluster creation. So you have to create a cluster. So as it is, I'm creating the all-purpose cluster as we have already discussed these things. So guys, if at all you wanted to give your own name, just select it here. Now you can mention your own name, whatever you wanted. So I'm using Durga cluster or Durga soft cluster. That's it, guys. Okay, and then afterwards, simply click on the create. This cluster will take a minute time, a minute or 2 minutes time it will take. So leave it as it is. So still creating. This obviously it will take 1 minute time, 1 to 1.5 minute it will take.
We have only few participants today.
Yeah. People sometime they may just joining, or most of the people are relying on this recordings.
True.
Yes, Samir. I am also working employee. So whenever I have some free time, definitely I will go through it. I will attend. First of all, I try to maximum I will do it to attend this class only. But sometimes it's not possible due to some meetings. So that what I will do, I will go through the recordings once again.
Yeah. Obviously. But in the live classes, you can have more discussion or anything.
Yes, more discussion. It's really interesting, and so we can clarify, many doubts here.
Obviously.
Great advantage is there.
Yes. So guys, the cluster is ready. And now let us start with the workbook. There is the notebook, sorry. The notebook, I'm just creating the notebook, guys. So I'll create a notebook here. Spark SQL. Guys, what is the name? Spark SQL. Spark SQL. Okay. Use the Spark SQL notebook. Okay, guys. So I'm just on the same cluster you want to run this. So hence I'm used it. Okay. So else you can just change the Spark. Okay. Spark underscore SQL underscore notebook. Okay, guys. This is the way you can follow for creation of the notebook. That's not a problem. Now, guys, can you see here? So, guys, here you have it. So now if you want, you can change the entire default language as what? SQL. Can you see it? Now I want to create the default language of this notebook from right now, from this point onwards. It is what, guys? Tell me now. It is what? Yes, guys. It is what?
Yeah,
SQL, right? It is what? SQL. Okay. So now, guys, I wanted to. So already we have seen this yesterday, but still I wanted to just, because everything is deleted, I want to recreate it. Create, okay. Create a database. I'm using it, guys. Create a database. So, guys, what is it? We use it. Create database. Sorry, create a database. If not exist, okay, guys. I wanted to give it as what? Okay. Let's give it as sales DB. Control enter. So, guys, allow. That's it. It's created, guys. Next, I wanted to write it. I wanted to make it using the create schema. Create schema or create database is both one or the same, guys. Am I right or not? Yes.
Yes.
Both commands are same. Only thing is what? Yes. What is only thing is what? You want what is that? You can see here. I'm using some accounts DB. Accounts DB. Now, guys, simply instead of using the database, I'm using what is that? Schema here. So both are same. It does not make any difference. Okay, guys. So just go here and verify it. See here, it's there or not. Accounts DB is there, sales DB is there. Default is default only, no? So how to verify the properties of the schema? Tell me now today. Yesterday already I told you. Yes. Verify the, I want an answer, guys. Verify the properties.
Describe schema.
Yes. So we can use what? Properties. This we have to use what? Of the schema. Describe the properties of the, where is verify the properties of the schema. So what is the name? Use describe. DES or DIS, guys? Describe. Yeah. Describe. Yeah. Describe schema. Describe a schema. What is it? Accounts DB. Use it. Run this. Okay, guys. So, guys, all these things you know now. Anyways, how to write a comment, everything you know. Am I right? Yesterday
Yes, sir.
already I showed.
Yeah,
Yesterday,
we saw
we
the
have
test.
discussed. We have discussed it already. Okay, guys. So let's see here. Can we use here? Okay. Anyways. So I think already we have discussed, but still I wanted to just refresh it once. Create schema or database with the properties. So use what is that? Create schema if not exist. Yeah, what's the database name? So if not exist, I want to create one more. So let us make it as marketing DB. Marketing, okay. Or you can say marketing DB or market DB. So guys, how to write a comment? Tell me now. The purpose of creation here. You can write a comment, okay? Comment is nothing but, can you see it? This database is created. This database is created for, okay, campaign. Or campaign market, campaign marketing, okay guys, all of you. Yes guys.
Yes.
So now,
Yes.
so that's it. So let's okay, location. If you want location also, you can mention it. Use a location. Where you want to create this database, tell me now. In simply in user location, I want to create it. So I'm just using what's it? Sorry. Use what's it? Slash
User.
directly user. Okay, that's it. Okay. This is a location where you want to create it. Semicolon. See, what is the comment you have it? This database is created for campaign market. Okay. I'm running this. Okay, now. So go here. See, a market DB is here. But anyways, you want to verify it. If at all you want to check the effect of this. So now guys, verify the properties. Yeah, what is it you have to use? Tell me now. What happened? Describe.
Schema.
Yeah, somebody put in mute. Schema. Yes, guys. Describe schema. Market DB. Am I right, guys?
Yeah.
Check this. Now see the entire comment line. Can you see it? Database name, comment line, and the user is what is it? You have it? The user is what? Yeah, Maninath Sahu, just put yourself in mute. Okay, now guys, can you see here? Yeah, what is it? Market DB. This is a comment we have used, and in location it is created in the user. That's it. Okay. Now, guys, how to modify the existing schema? We have seen this, guys, or not?
Alter schema. Yeah, we saw.
Yeah, we have seen this, no? So I'm writing one more comment here. Modify. Yeah, modify what's it? Existing schema. So use what is it? Alter schema. What is it I want? Tell me now. Alter schema. I wanted to market. Alter schema name. Schema name is what? You have it. The schema is table database name. Database name is what? Market DB. Set DB properties. Set DB properties. set a DB properties. Who is creating the schema? Okay. DB properties, that is database properties. So under this, can you see it? Create hyphen by, okay, is equal to created by, what is that? Let's make it as created by me. So I'm writing my name, Samir, and then I want, what is the date here?
So we should be able to once again modify the comment also, right?
Yes, we can modify the comment once more. The DB properties created by Samir and the created date is, what is it? You have it. Let's make it here as just a minute.
Create date,
Yeah,
create hyphen date.
yeah. I'm just doing it. Create hyphen date. Okay, so just put it in what? Quotes here. Create hyphen date is equal to use today's date. What's the today's date? You have it. 01st. What is that you have? 11/2022. Am I right, guys? That's it. So let's run this. The schema is altered or not?
Can we also add the comment there?
Comment
Yes.
here, you can just a minute, let me check here. Can you add it or not?
No, within the DB properties. I mean, next to
Yeah,
the-
here only, no? Yeah. No,
Oh,
no,
within the
comment you have to add.
bracket.
Yeah, comment here within that bracket. You mean to say directly in the hyphen?
No. See, the comment is already added to the schema. Now that we are altering the same schema,
Uh,
so I thought it should be added here as one of the DB properties, right?
okay, so you want to change the comment now?
Huh.
Let's try it. Comment. Okay, so comment again. I don't think that will work.
Should be within
Quotes.
quotes, right?
So let us make it as a quote. Okay. Comment is equal to, okay.
New comment, altered comment or something.
This is DB. That's it. Okay. Something.
Okay.
Okay. Let's run this.
Yeah.
Okay. Now verify the properties. I'm writing the verify the properties. Verify the properties of the database. Let's see here. Describe schema market DB. See here. Can you see here? No,
We'll
guys.
say extended.
Huh?
We'll say extended, right? To see the additional properties we added.
No.
Describe schema extended market.
Yeah, yes. If at all you want to use it, you have to use extended. Yeah. Okay, guys, extended. Now, see here. You got it. Created by.
Yeah, but the comment
is
has
not
not
working.
taken effect.
Yeah, it's not taken up. Okay. So I'll write it here. One comment line, that's better. Use extended option to return additional schema properties. That's it. Okay. That's afterwards. Now, guys, so now, guys, I'm using one more command called drop command. So drop schema or database. What is it? Drop.
Cascade.
Yeah, drop. What is it? Yes, what is the schema name? You have it. Let's
Market
accounts.
DB.
Okay, accounts
Okay,
DB.
accounts DB.
Accounts DB. Okay, then use what is it? Cascade. Yeah, that's it. Control enter. Now here. So go and check. Do you have any accounts DB? No, it is dropped. That's it. This is the way you have it. Okay.
So, what if the cascade clause is not given here?
Let's do one thing. Actually, let us see here. Error. It is showing some error. That is the syntax you have it.
No, we already dropped the schema.
Okay, let's do one thing. Let's make it here as
Sales DB is there.
sales DB. I'll remove this. It's working.
So,
Without that also it's working. yeah.
So cascade is to remove any dependencies on
Yes,
this.
yes. So cascade is basically optional, you have it. So if you want, you can use it. Okay. So any kind of that is cascade is not mandatory to use with this. That means actually the cascade means clearing it from the memory, I think so. That's the thing. Okay. So now we can also write it in another way. That is,
usually,
I think, yeah.
As far as
Please.
I know, in RDBMS and Oracle, basically, when we try to cascade, we, if we want to drop all the foreign key constraints and all those dependent constraints and such dependencies will get removed automatically. So that's why I got a little confused on why we are using the cascade here.
Okay, so basically, actually that, I mean to say you're dropping the table if you use the cascade. You mean to say all relationships will be dropped.
Yes, but here I'm not aware of what it means actually.
See, I think basically when it comes to this, the using of the cascade option in the drop. So if any, this database, in the same way, I think if it is depending on some other database or something like, but actually, if you such is because databases are basically independent of this, you don't require to use this, but it's supporting, no? So let's see, cascade.
Yeah, what I think, that cascade in Oracle, that is particularly, it works on, violation of properties like that, or else if you want to deal particular record or a particular column, At the time we are using Cascade in Oracle, but here we are using Cascade on entire database. I think that's a difference.
Hmm.
I think there should be some files and some other
No, Cascade generally
references.
there we are using for, yeah, what you said correct. But the thing is, in terms of violation, right, right, you know, if you want to delete any particular record, at the time, you know, you have also we have to use this kind of thing. That is within the database, within the table, but it is not within the table. It is we are applying on overall table level.
That is
No.
database level.
Okay,
Database level.
dropping a database means that
So once by
all
dropping, no
all
way. Yeah, anyway, we're dropping into a table, whatever the tab may be having relationships or not, it's way totally we're deleting.
Yeah, if any relationships further is there, that means totally cascading it. That's the only thing it means. I think so.
probably the files we might have linked, we might have used some files there. Maybe those are
No,
I mean-
cascading in Oracle, that is linked with so primary.
no,
and
let's
third.
forget about Oracle. That's different. I'm just talking about what this cascade we are using here in this statement means.
Okay.
So this probably because
I'll
we are
clarify
dropping.
you. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'll
sure.
clarify you. I'll just check and clarify you once. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, just give me on this. Okay, so apart from this, we can also use, guys, the another way is what is that? Drop schema if exist. You can also add the command called if exist. We can use this way also. Okay. Now, guys, we shall start with the tables now. Okay. Okay, guys, so let us start with this. Okay, so let us see here. I'm starting up with the tables. Now, guys, I'm writing it, create tables. Create tables. Okay, guys, or I can say creation of tables if you want. I can write it that way. Creation of table. You can see here whatever the code I'm writing it, we wrote it today. It is in which language here? SQL language only. We have changed the language of the notebook at the time of creation only. Okay, guys. So now, guys, I'm writing it. Create a table. Employees something. Okay, some name you give it. Employees. Now can you see here? Columns you can give it here. EMPNO. Simple column names, guys. Data type is what? Integer. Or I can say int here. Okay, and comma, guys, ename varchar of 20, guys. So use what is that again? The comma, job. Let us use a job here. Okay, guys, everyone. The job is the varchar 20. Then afterwards use a comma and use what is that? Salary. Decimal. I wanted to make it here as what? 7,2. That's it, guys. DPTNO. I want to add one more column here, guys. For that, sorry, use what is it? DPTNO. DPTNO is the department. INT. That is nothing but the integer. Okay, that's it, guys. So the table is okay ready now. So use a semicolon. Control enter. The table is created now. Okay, guys. The table is ready. Now, guys, see here. In which database it creates? Which databases we have created? Tell me now. Default database. This will create in what? Default database. Am I right, guys?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Whenever you don't mention any kind of this thing, it will, that is a database name, directly it will go in what? Default database. If you want to change it, what is the way you have it? Tell me now. Yes, what's the command you have to use? Tell me now. What is the database you have it, guys? Ready, market DB now.
Market.
So I want to add it in the market DB. What is that you have to do? Tell me now. Yes, what is the command?
Qualify the table name with the
Market
database name.
market DB dot employees. Am I right, guys? Now this will go and store it in the market DB. This is the way, one way, guys. That's it. Now see. Got it now? Okay. Now, if not the case, you can also use here above. Can you see here? You can also use one more command here that is called as what? Use database. Use database. What is it? Use database. You can use what's it? Market DB. Okay. You can use this command also to activate from this point onwards, whatever the command you're writing, that will create in what is that? Tell me now. Market DB database. Am I right, guys, everyone? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the way you have it, guys. Okay. Next, after this, you want to insert some rows here in this table. The table is created. So when, if at all you want to create some, can you see here? Tables here or insert the rows here. I'm using it. Insert. Guys, I'm using it. It's not more rows, just 2 rows, 3 rows I'll insert. Insert rows. Insert rows manually. Manually. Insert into employees values 7001 comma sorry, use what's it? ALN comma job is what is it? You have it. SSE, that is senior software engineer, something like that. And now, guys, the 45,000 is the salary. Okay. And now you have one more column is there. Now, what is that? Department number 10. Everyone following or not? Yes. Okay, so I'm using it some value. Now, guys, fine now. Number of affected rows 3, number of inserted rows is 3. Now, guys, that's it. Okay. Now, after this, now query the table here. So I'm just querying the table. Query the table. So query employees table. So select a star from. See here. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'll insert some more rows. So I'll try to for some calculation purpose, I wanted to make it. That's it. Six. Now 6 rows. Okay. Now see here. Select the star from this one. Now you'll get it. Got it? Now let us try to count it now. Count it. Count the number of rows in table. Okay, guys. So use what's that? Select. Count. Guys, count a star. Count star means what? Count all records from employees. Am I right, guys? Please, all of you.
Yes.
Select it here. Now see what's the counting it today? 9. Why 9? Can you tell me, guys? First of all, it was 3 records. Later on, I have inserted how many records? Yes, guys. Later on, I have inserted what? 6 records. So that means there is a duplication. Am I right, guys? 3 records are duplicated. Am I right or not?
Yeah.
That's the reason why it's saying 9. That's it. Sorry. Now I'm using it. I want to pass it here as. Can you see here? I want to pass the output in the form of a new a column. So count rows. I'm using count rows as a new column. So now see here. Count rows as a new column. So now guys, that's afterwards. Okay. Bring the table data into what's the data frame, guys? All of you. Bring the table data into data frame, guys. All of you. Okay. So how to get the table data into what is that? Data frame. Into the data frame. Okay, guys. So what do you mean data frame, guys? Yes, tell me, guys.
It's a structured representation of data.
DF is equal to, can you see here? Select star from employees. Am I right, guys? This is not going to work. Yes.
Spark.sql.
It will not work anyways. Even if you are using the semicolon. Why? Because can you see here? You have to use here.
Magic command.
No. You have to use, can you see here? Change the use magic command. What's the magic command you have to use? Yeah, percent Python. Then it will work. Am I right?
No, even then you have to make use of spark.sql, right? Or spark.sql. Where it work.
Spark contains a method called SQL. Now, can you see here? Now it has changed to Python. Spark contains a method called SQL. So I'm using, now it will use what is it? df is equal to spark dot SQL. Okay, spark dot SQL. Now we can use it.
And the statement should be within quotes.
Okay, spark dot SQL. Now run it. I think it will work now. Now, guys, this will work now. Okay. Data frame created or not? See? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, it is created. Okay. Now you have to write it here. Can you see? Percent magic command again. Percent Python. Percent Python. If at all you want to view the schema, guys, use view schema of the data frame. Use what's the data frame schema? How can you view it? df dot
Show.
print schema.
Oh, schema. Okay, print schema.
See here, got it? Till now you have written the SQL commands. Now immediately I have changed it towards it Python. Can you see here? This is the way you can write it here. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Next after this. Next. No. Now again same. Okay, I'm using it. Display data from what's it? Data frame. You have to use the magic command above. No? That's the reason. Percent. Sorry. Use what's it? Percent Python. Okay. So now, guys, to display the data from the data frame, what is the command we use it? Now tell me more. df dot show. See here. This is going to work now. Yeah. Okay, guys. Everyone, please. I want an answer.
Yeah.
Can I use a display function also? Display function also we can use. Display df. This is a display function. You can use either we can use a show method or else we can use a display function. Both are same. Okay, we can use this way also. This is called as the show method. This is called as a display function. Am I right, guys, everyone?
Yeah.
Now. Yeah. Next, I wanted to use it here. Percent Python. Okay, use what is it? Hash command. Create global and permanent table from data frame. Can we do that, guys? It is possible or not? Yes, please. So how to create it? Tell me now. Def dot write dot mode. Okay, guys. Then use what's it? Overwrite. Overwrite, everyone. Overwrite. Okay, that's it.
Save as table.
Very good. So we have dot save as table. So we have to use what's it? Save as, tell me now. Save as what? Employees. Global. Global. Something like that. Okay. Guys, that's it. See, this is fine now. That's it, guys. Now write it here. What is that, guys? Use show DDL of global or permanent table. Okay, guys. So show create table. See, it's working. Yeah, guys, everyone just check here. Any format of the applicants here? I have mentioned any format or not? No. Can you see default format is what? Can you see here? The default format is what?
Delta.
Delta, yes. Okay, now guys, what we can see delta is here. Anyways, delta is a separate concept. We will see it. Okay, don't worry about that. So we will see. Can you see it? This is the thing we have it. Okay. Now, guys, I'm writing it. Can you see it? Python. All of you, just a minute. Python. Create global table. Guys, what is it? Create a global table. Global table. Yes, guys. With partitions. Partitions. So how to create it with partitions? Def dot write dot mode, and the format here you want to use it as what? Overwrite. Overwrite dot format. Now, guys, what is it I want? Parquet. Parquet dot save as table. Guys, what's it? Save as table. Can you see it? Can you see it? Employees underscore part. Okay, can you see it? Now, guys, where you have created the partition? Can you see beside the parquet you use it? Partition. Party. Partitioned by department. Can you see partitioned by? partition by, guys, B capital. Just spelling check. Partition. P-A-R-T-I-T-I-O-N. Partition by. Partition by. Use it. Partition by. You can use it here. That's it, guy. Dot safe. Okay. Clear now, guys? Yeah. Are all of you following or not? Please
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yes.
run this. This will work or not? Yes, guys, it is working. Fine. So now, guys, advantages of partition is parallelism, guys. Okay. Now, guys, now again use what's it? Show DDL. Same, I'm using it, guys. Show DDL, all of you. Show DDL. So, guys, you wanna run this? Show DDL of what? Tell me now.
Show create table.
Table name?
EMP employees part. Underscore part.
Okay, now, am I right? See. Now see. Tell me now.
So the format is RK
Hmm.
and is partitioned by department number.
Getting my point? This is how it works, okay? Okay. Using the format called what? Parquet and partition by department number. That's it, guys. Everyone. Okay, next after this. Just a minute, guys. Hello? Yes. I pay. Okay, guys, that's it. We'll stop here and we'll continue tomorrow, rest of the topics. Okay, guys? All of you?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Thank you, guys.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, Samir, yesterday recording session not uploaded.
I'll inform them. I'll inform them. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you.